This is a great piece for starting to practice your vibrato. And you can start with the moments that have the long notes, like for example, the risoluto. So we have, so let's take that first one. So here we have, right, we're gonna start. Our upmost note here is going to be our in pitch, F sharp. We're gonna move back along the line. We don't want to move down. We don't want to do this sort of thing, but we're basically taking that finger from upright and moving it back. And we can then go 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, whatever. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Now we can think to ourselves the pitch and just think of how we're pushing that joint towards us with that uppermost pitch being the one that's in tune. So obviously I wouldn't play with my fingers down here, but this is just to show you how that finger is moving. Okay, our next note here. I'm doing the same practice. Right, and then maybe 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Again, this is my uppermost pitch, and I'm moving back. See how my hand is, my whole hand knuckles are moving back. So it's like D, 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 D. And each one I'm pushing it up. Okay, now I can do this one is gonna be the same. Right, and then my low two. Same thing. Right, so I'm practicing it slow in that way. And now I can also help out with my bow because it's accented. So that momentum of pulling my arm this way is I'm gonna pull that back at the same time, right? So pull, right? You can start with more of an accent, but these accents actually are not so much an accent as a vibrato, an intense vibrato than of a really sharp accent. So we're just kind of sweeping, right? We're helping with this and set off that hand. And then once my vibrato gets going, when I'm playing my other notes, my hand is basically just keeps moving with the vibrato. But the important thing is to start somewhere. And those long notes are a great place to do that. The next moment that we could practice our vibrato. Here we have a long note. Right, fourth finger is the hardest, for me anyway. You can even challenge yourself. Do an octave. That kind of gets your hand moving the right way for when you have any finger down and your hand is moving. Right, those are all notes that could use your vibrato. And then we have our ending. And the piano's going these fast notes that can cover you up a little bit if your vibrato is a little bit like this still. But at least try to get it started when you're doing this. This is a great piece for whole bows. Right, using lots of bow, down, bow, up, bow, down, bow, up, bow. Yeah, all in first position and fairly accessible. So a great piece to work on your basics.